No. I understand 100%. I do. I don't want to put anybody in any kind of situation.
Any questions or whatever, we'll try to answer, but not about wine.
But I'm a real home protection guy, I got my shotgun and I got my handgun, that kind of stuff. I'm going to get a long rifle for the zombie apocalypse. Yeah, so she's got an alligator head tattooed on her calf. It's really cool. It's really detailed. I think it's really cool. Here comes the salad. There's a tossed salad. Looks good. Thank you. I have to say, considering all the publicity around the grill and the Congresswoman, I'm surprised they're handling it so well. Because that could be a big deal. I mean, it's a small town here, and all the controversy that's in politics today, it's you just don't know what's going to happen. So, more power to anybody who can deal with that. Oh wow, look at that.
Yeah.
That looks great.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Very welcome.
Look at this, guys. Look at this steak. That look good or what? Yep. So, I'm not gonna force her to watch me eat it because that would just be not right. So, I'm gonna sign off and I'll let you know how it is. I bet it's gonna be wonderful because it looks great. Okay. So that's my it's a medium rare ribeye. It's tender. It's good. Has a nice grilled flavor to it. You can tell it was grilled. You see the grill marks there. And then mashed potatoes with gravy, and they're home style, meaning that they still have some of the peel in them. And then we have these sauteed vegetables. These are really good. I don't know what they saute them with, but probably butter and something, but they're very tasty. The sauteed vegetables, mashed potatoes, and the ribeye. So yeah, take a look at the steak and tell me if that's medium rare.
She's here. She's here, right? Yeah.
That's a rare steak if I've ever seen one. It's a little chewy.
Oh, you. We got all this right in there. Picture. Oh yeah, those things.
So it is, it's 8:53 and we are leaving Shooter's Grill. You guys close at 9? Oh, do you? Okay, they close at 9, so we're leaving just in time, right? And again, one more look around. Okay, so they close at 9, so bye-bye now.
Thank you. Have a good night.
You too. Okay, so that was Shooter's Grill, and I don't like to disparage places, but I gotta be honest, I was afraid to eat that steak. Every time I cut into it, I didn't know if I was going to get a big chunk of gristle or not. I had 2 big bites right at the beginning that were just full of gristle, and it was not medium rare. I used to be a steak cook for a restaurant, and that was as rare as it gets. They threw that thing on the grill and flipped it over, which makes it was a little tough. So yeah, I mean, the mashed potatoes and the grilled or the sautéed vegetables were great, but it ain't no Chappies. So I'm gonna sign off. I gotta go find she told me there's an ATM right around the corner. I'm gonna go find that. And as you can see, it's dark. So if I see anything interesting, I'll let you know. Okay? Thanks for joining me at Shooter's Grill. All right? Bye now.
The left side, the right brain drives me